Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and we're going to be looking at how to get a shareable link for your different docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets so that you can have access to a link that you can give to a teacher or somebody who needs access to whatever your assignments may be or any sort of document that they need as well. What I'm about to show you is the same steps and routines for all Google Docs, Sheets, slides, and draws as well. What you see before you can be applied in all those situations and should be used anytime you submit an assignment to any teacher for any class. It should also be done whenever you're emailing a teacher or just putting something in a Google form for them that they might need for one of your assignments. So let's go ahead and look at it together. So I have an example document on the screen here for you, and we all know how to go to the share settings. We hit that share button in the top right-hand corner. It's going to be a different color depending on whatever it is you're using. From here, you'll notice that the share settings might be a little different than what you're used to, maybe not. But you're going to start by going down to the Get Link section, this little box here, and you're going to click on it. From here, you're going to go to where it may say restricted or it might say something different, but there's a little drop-down menu, and you need to select Huntley Community School District 158 or whatever school district you're in for those who are in different districts. And when you click on that, it'll automatically update your link settings here. Next, you're going to go into this drop-down arrow where it says Viewer, and you're going to click on Editor. So first and foremost, I said it before, I'll say it again. Anytime you submit an assignment, whether it's a doc, slides, or so on, you should always, in the case of your teachers, give them editing rights. They're not going to go in and edit your work, but they need to be able to see what you did, how you did it, so they can best help you or offer you the best insight as to what to do next. All right. From there, you hit that copy link, and you're good to go, okay? And you can put this into any Google form, anything you want, and you'll notice that whenever I hit paste or Control V, your link's there ready to go, and it'll say sharing at the end there. So that's how you go about finding a shareable link. If you have questions, reach out to your teachers. Otherwise, good luck.